2025 Honda Rebel 300, most lightweight cruiser motorcycles for beginner riders. Honda Motorcycles has long been synonymous with innovation, reliability, and a passion for pushing boundaries. The anticipation surrounding the release of the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 ABS is palpable among motorcycle enthusiasts and urban adventurers alike. Promising a perfect fusion of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Rebel 300 ABS is poised to set new standards in the world of lightweight cruisers. (2025 Honda Rebel 300 ABS design and aesthetics). From the moment it hits the road, the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 ABS commands attention with its bold, minimalist design. Combining classic cruiser elements with a modern twist, its clean lines and streamlined silhouette exude a sense of agility and urban sophistication. Available in a range of vibrant colors, each complemented by premium finishes and detailing, the Rebel 300 ABS allows riders to make a distinctive statement on every journey. (2025 Honda Rebel 300 ABS performance and handling). At the heart of the Rebel 300 ABS beats a spirited 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, renowned for its responsive power delivery and fuel efficiency. This lightweight powerhouse is designed to effortlessly navigate city streets and conquer winding backroads with equal finesse. Honda's commitment to engineering excellence ensures that every ride on the Rebel 300 ABS is characterized by smooth acceleration, precise handling, and exceptional maneuverability. Whether weaving through traffic or carving through curves, riders can rely on the Rebel 300 ABS to deliver a thrilling and dynamic experience. (2025 Honda Rebel 300 ABS engine, Type 286 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 25-degree single-cylinder 4-stroke. Valve train DOHC, for valves per cylinder. Bore X-stroke 76.0 mm x 63.0 mm. Compression ratio 10.7:1. Induction PGM-FI 38 mm throttle bodies. Ignition computer-controlled digital transistorized W electronic advanced starter electric transmission 6-speed manual. Clutch multiplate wet. Final drive 520 chain, 14T, the 36T. Suspension. Front 41 mm telescopic fork, 4.8 inches. Travel. Rear twin shock, 3.7 inches. Travel. (2025 Honda Rebel 300 ABS technology and features). Incorporating advanced technology to enhance both safety and convenience, the 2025 Rebel 300 ABS is equipped with Honda's anti-lock braking system as standard. This feature provides riders with enhanced control and stability during sudden braking maneuvers, ensuring confident stopping power on various road surfaces. A modern digital instrument panel keeps vital information easily accessible, while LED lighting ensures optimal visibility day or night. These thoughtful additions not only elevate the riding experience, but also underscore Honda's commitment to rider safety and comfort. (2025 Honda Rebel 300 ABS comfort and ergonomics). Designed with rider comfort in mind, the Rebel 300 ABS features a relaxed riding position and ergonomically positioned controls. Its low seat height and manageable weight make it accessible to a wide range of riders, including those new to motorcycling. Ample ground clearance and a balanced chassis contribute to nimble handling and effortless maneuverability, making the Rebel 300 ABS an ideal companion for navigating urban environments with ease. Brakes. Front single 296 mm disc W hydraulic calipers, ABS. Rear single 240 mm disc W hydraulic calipers, ABS. Tires. Front 130/90/16. Rear 150/80-16. Measurements: rake, caster angle, 28 degrees. Trail 110 mm, 4.3 in. Length 86.9 inches. Width 32.4 inches. Height 43.0 inches. Seat height 27.2 inches. Ground clearance 5.9 inches. Wheelbase 58.7 inches. Fuel capacity 3.0 gallon. Curb weight * 370 pounds. Other colors: pearl black, nitric orange. As Honda prepares to introduce the 2025 Rebel 300 ABS to the world, excitement builds among riders seeking a versatile and stylish cruiser that excels in both performance and practicality. With its distinctive design, spirited engine, advanced features, and Honda's legendary reliability, the Rebel 300 ABS promises to redefine the urban riding experience. Whether commuting through city streets or embarking on weekend adventures, this latest addition to Honda's lineup embodies the spirit of exploration and freedom that defines the essence of motorcycling. As riders eagerly await its arrival, the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 ABS stands ready to inspire a new generation of enthusiasts and urban explorers alike.